Hi, welcome to Math Challenge. Today we'll learn about volume of spheres and how to calculate any percentage changes in volume. Here is our problem. Ted blew a balloon that formed a perfect sphere with a diameter of 14 inches. Further he blew it, which increased its diameter by 14 inch. By what percent has the volume of the balloon sphere increased? So here we need to calculate the volume of the balloon before and after, and then find the percentage increase in its volume. Let this be the initial balloon size, that is sphere, which is of diameter 14 inch, and after Ted blew it further, and let this be the final balloon sphere of diameter 28 inch. So let's keep the radius of the initial sphere as smaller, which is equal to 7, because the diameter is 14 by 2, which is 7. Similarly, let's keep the final sphere radius as capital R, which is again 28 by 2 is 14. So from these two, we can form a relationship between the capital R, that is the radius of the bigger sphere, to the radius of the smaller sphere, which is biggest sphere radius is 2 times the smaller sphere radius. Now we need to calculate the volume. So as we know, the volume of the sphere is nothing but 4/3 pi times r cube, where r is the radius. So the volume of the initial sphere, let's keep it as v1, and which is going to be 4/3 pi times r, since we are representing the initial sphere as small r, so r cube. Similarly, let's keep the final sphere as v2. Here the radius is capital R. Now without even using the actual radius, all we are going to do here is to replace the capital R, that is the bigger radius, to the initial sphere radius. So replacing R, capital R, 2, which is nothing but 2 times the smaller radius. From this we can take the 2 cube out, giving us 8 times the 4/3 pi r cube. And as you see here, this is nothing but the volume of the initial sphere, which is v1. So we got another relationship between the volume 2 and volume 1, which is v2 is 8 times the v1. Now coming back to the problem, we need to find the percentage increase. So any percentage increase problem, all you need to do is the newer change to the initial change by initial change times 100. In this case, it's going to be percentage volume increase, which is v2, the new volume, minus v1 by v1, and times 100. So replacing v2 with the relationship that we got as 8 times v1 minus v1 by v1, so which is going to come as 7 v1 by v1, cancelling v1, all we get is 7 times 100, which is 700 percentage. So that's a percentage increase of this final sphere that we got here. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.